in this video we are going to see how can we convert the numbers into currency in Microsoft Excel. So this is the set of the numbers that I have available with me, but these all represent some kind of a currency. Okay, so let's see how can we just use Excel to depict this fact. First of all, you got to select the whole column which you want to convert into currency. Then right click, go to the format cells option. In this format cells dialog box, you need to select the currency option. Now you have these different ways through which you can customize it, like the number of the decimal places. By default the standard is 2, so let's just keep it as 2. The symbol that you want, like these are the different country symbols, symbols of different currencies. So if you want, you can just go with any of the symbols that you want. Right, it totally depends upon you or the data that you have available with you. Let's just I'm just going to go with the dollar. Then how are you gonna depict the negative numbers? With a negative sign, with a parenthesis, or just with a red color? So I'm just going with a red color. If you don't want any symbol, there is an option of none as well, so you can just click on none as well. So this is how it is. I want a dollar symbol. Let's just click on OK. So this is how the things are working. Now if you want to add a negative symbol, let's just add a negative value, -90. So you can see it has changed into a red colored value. That's how you do it. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.